All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Today's video, we're going to be going over the Fundrise account. So if you guys have been following me on my channel, you know that I started investing in this online real estate platform. So the account's currently at $3,927 with $646 coming off of gains. All right, so we're at it again. We're in the month of October. And remember, this account's all about consistency. So let me go ahead and show you that. Go to transactions here. Okay, so there it is. Another $100 into the account. Remember, we're doing $100 every month. That way you guys can see how the account grows over time and it gets us closer to reaching financial freedom. Okay, so the $100 is irrelevant for this video. What I did want to show you here is the type of investments that Fundrise makes. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over that really quickly. Great apartment complex. All right, so guys, realistically, when would you be able to buy something like this? If you're able to do it, great. Hats off to you guys. But let's say realistically, when are you going to be able to go out there and buy a 296 unit apartment complex in Humboldt, Texas for $49 million? All right. So that means you would have to gather at least a 20% down payment to be able to buy this property so that the bank could give you a loan on it. Plus, you have to have all this property management experience. So there's a lot of things that tie into buying this type of institutional grade real estate. Not saying, like I said, not saying you can't, but chances are most likely you don't have the money right now, the assets, or the resources to be able to do that. But with Fundrise, they go ahead and pull everybody's money together so we can go out and buy pieces of beautiful real estate like this, all right? So I went and did my research on the apartment complex that they bought here. So this is it, all right? So the Cobalt, so as you guys can see here, Cobalt, Lake Houston. What did they buy? They bought the Cobalt at Lake Houston 296 unit apartment complex, like I said, for $49.5 million. So here's our new purchase, the Cobalt at Lake Houston. Look at this beautiful piece of real estate. All right, so we're part owners of this. This is going to provide us that steady cash flow, especially with the supplemental income plan that I have right now. In the meantime, while I switch it to the balance plan. But here it is, guys. Get this beautiful real estate here. All right, I wanted to show you guys this here. All right, so this apartment complex offers different floor plans, and these are all the different types of floor plans that it offers and the different price tags. All right, so for the plan, for the first plan here, so A1, between 1209 to 1219. So that's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. And we'll go on to the 2 bedroom, 2 bath, so you guys can see the price tag keeps on increasing here. That's going to be able to provide us, like I said, with more cash flow and appreciation. So guys, there's still a lot of potential for this apartment complex, especially for the well-designed new features that it has, all the amenities that it has. So there's still a lot of room to increase those rents over time, so we could strike a home run when they refinance or they sell the property. All right, so as you can see here, so B1, that's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So now we're talking about $1,400 a month to $1,500. And then here they exclude the pricing for a 3 bedroom, 2 bath. You could call for that, but based off the jumps from a 1 bedroom to a 2 bedroom, I'm thinking it's about $1,700 per month maybe. So great apartment complex, guys. So like I said, when would you be able to do this, and why even take the time to do this when there's companies like Fundrise that can go ahead and do this for you? They handle all the work, like I said, all the contractual work, all the management work. They handle all the repairs, all the maintenance. They handle everything, guys. All you have to do is just pay them that little advisory fee, which is a measly 0.1%, which is 10% of 1%, which is basically nothing, guys. All right, so if you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, that we can share information with as many investors as possible, help them and yourselves reach financial freedom so that you never have to worry about money again. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video.